Let's cross over live to Kisumu, where Education Cabinet Secretary George Magoha has today admitted that adhering to all the COVID-19 containment measures as spelt out by the Ministry of Health in schools may be a tall order. Speaking in Kisumu, the tough-talking CS singled out social distancing as one of the requirements that would not be easily achieved as the phased reopening of the learning institutions begins next week on Monday, the 12th of 2020. Okukusa is now joining us live from Kisumu.
Well, yes, the CS was conducting some inspection tour of the Kisumu National Polytechnic just a while ago. That tour ended, and while speaking to journalists, that is when he gave out this particular statement that you've just read there. He said that due to the constraint of time, the ministry is not able to actually expand the existing infrastructure to support social distancing in the learning institutions. That is what he said. But as again, he added there that the other measures, that is mask wearing and of course hand washing, will be adhered to fully, actually directing teachers there that any pupil who may turn up without a mask, then it is the responsibility of the teachers to provide a mask to the pupils. But at the same time, he has also spoke about disbursement of free primary funds, which was sort of an issue with a couple of head teachers that we spoke to last week when we were conducting some tour. They were expressing some concern regarding those funds, but the CS today said that the free primary education funds had already been dispersed. They're supposed to be getting into those schools either today or tomorrow. But again, he also said that the ministry has released another 13 billion shillings to support free secondary education, which he expects to be in those schools by Thursday. He also addressed himself to the issue of boarding schools and school fee arrears or school fees in general, which of course has been another concern being raised by parents regarding school fees. The CS Magoha said today that actually directed all principals of high schools not to turn away pupils who have not completed their school fees or do not have school fees, especially those in boarding schools, saying that the ones in the day schools have already been catered for, and therefore is directing principals for high schools not to turn away any pupils who may turn up without school fees. And finally, before I let you go, he has also spoke about the matter of going to court, which was this morning we woke up to, where a parent had gone to court to block the reopening, saying that the CS, they are now reacting, saying that anybody is free to go to court, but as far as they are concerned, up to this moment, they are yet to receive any directive from the courts, and therefore the planned reopening will go on come Monday 12th. So briefly, in a nutshell, that is what he has addressed himself to today. And of course, we'll bring you more details as we get them. Back to you.